I had a complaint that this Kirby Heritage was making a weird noise, or noise that's not normal. So I'm going to investigate and see what I can figure out. I'm going to run the vacuum so we have an idea what it sounds like now. Some definite smell of rubber or belt wear. I don't know if you guys can smell that through the camera or not, but let's investigate. I'm going to unplug this. Vacuum's unplugged, so we shouldn't have to worry about it turning on like a phantom vacuum. Hopefully not. And I'm going to check this impeller. I can see some dog hair in there right off the bat. The belt here. Belt there looks good. It's attached. There's some see a little bit of black marking on the spindle here where the belt's been rubbing a bit. You can see some definite problems in here. Let me try to get you a good shot. Yeah, there's a crack. Seems to be broken. Let's take this apart. This can be done. Found a way to do this to make it very easy. It only requires taking out about 7 screws. I'll show you how to do that. So let's take the bag off and get that out of the way. We're going to take this off here. This bracket has 2 screws. It has a safety switch, on-off switch. Has to be pushed for the vacuum to come on. That's to protect you from getting your hair caught in this and it ripping your scalp off. Make sure you keep all the parts. It should slide right out. Alright, you have this bar that just goes into there. Your switching mechanism. You have this little bracket that holds that in like that. So just take that and we'll set that to the side. That's 2 screws. We've got about 5 left. Here's one right here, right on the front. You're going to remove this. All you should need for this is a Phillips screwdriver and a set of pliers. So turn this around. You don't have to worry about these ones. You see 3 here. You can take all 3 of these out. Kirbys cost what, $2,000 or $3,000, and a service call like this, you take it in a Kirby and they'll fix it for you. And it wouldn't surprise me if they charge several $100s for this, but I think we can do it for a lot cheaper. Alright, there's one more screw right here, and this one's actually going to stay in the vacuum, but it's going to loosen the front. See the front kind of come off as that loosens. Alright, make sure that doesn't get caught up or bent. So that's your 7 screws. That's all you need. Set that to the side. let's take a look at that. You can see where it's broke. It's almost broke all the way through. But, let's see if we can get that apart. Now you're gonna need something to put through the spindle. This spindle right here. I found a hook from the pegboard that fits just right. You're gonna use this. Hold there with your pliers. Righty loosey, lefty tighty. It's backwards. Reverse threads. So. Now if you find a whole bunch of debris in here, like nails and needles and crap, just clean it up a bit. Look at that. All that air coming through here, escaping through, putting drag, creating noise, putting drag on there is probably causing that rubber belt to catch and slip. But, this all looks pretty good. I'm going to check the alignment here. This should be tight. You shouldn't get any movement back or forth or sideways. If you do, you might have a bigger problem. But I was able to find a replacement on Amazon for about $17. So $17 here versus a $200 or $300 service call. You can take your pick, but we like to do everything by ourselves if we can. Also comes with a new bearing, so might as well replace that. That fits pretty snug. Alright, I'm just going to slip the new one on like a glove washer. And it was a backwards thread, so we're going to go to the left. I'm just going to do this hand tight without the pliers because I don't want to mess up these the plastic here. So I'm just going to hand tighten this, and the vacuum should do the rest. The spin on the vacuum should tighten that up even more so it won't come off. But just get that hand tight, just snug is all you want. We'll throw it back together. Make sure this this is nice and clean. If you want, you could put some forma gasket or liquid gasket on there just to seal that up, but I don't think we're gonna have a problem. So let's get her put back together. Alright, so we had that one screw that stayed in, remember? We're gonna get this, get that one screwed in first. We'll come back and tighten it up the rest of the way, but just get it started. Now these ones, you guys see that? You want to help with the camera? One, two, let me readjust you here. 7 screws, that's all you got to mess with. Just going to snug those up now. Alright, and the last 3 went in the front, right? Right here. So Kirby Heritage, I think this is the Heritage 2, if I remember right. Alright, something's not matching up here very well. Looks good, right? Alright, now let's take our little switch assembly. Gonna have it, if you can just have it like this, pull that little angle out. We're gonna slip it right in there. And we're gonna turn it till the switch is on the inside here. And the switch. I think it'll work. Alright. Look at that, beautiful now. Alright. Let's get this thing put back together and turn it on and see what happens. Oh, that sounded feels a lot better. All right, job well done. Just saved like $300.